Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Samsung washing machines. In the event that your control panel is not turning on the system, we're going to show you a friendly system reset to hopefully get your system back up and running. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, inside the utility room on the left-hand side is our Samsung washing machine. On the right-hand side is our Samsung dryer. We are addressing the washing machine. Very first thing I want you to do, verify it is in the off position. Next, come to the back and carefully unplug the power cord. In our case, the gray one is to the washer, the black one is to the dryer. Never pull on the cord. Go up to the actual power block that feeds inside the outlet. Carefully pull that out. And I'm going to bring it up here so I do not lose it on the back side. And come over to your washing machine. What I want you to do is press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Next, down to the start pause button, press and hold for 5 additional seconds. After that, let's plug the machine back in carefully. And as you plug this in, you want it all the way in and flush with the outlet. Come back to the front portion of your washing machine, press the power button. And hopefully your system is back up and running. From here, you can run a test cycle and verify that your washing machine completes the entire cycle properly and efficiently. And if so, you are back up and running. Hopefully this helps. Now, there is one additional procedure that you can perform. However, almost 100% of the time, the procedure that we just ran through solves the problem. In the unlikely event that it does not, definitely check out the link scrolling above. It covers the additional troubleshooting steps to perform to get your machine back up and running properly and again efficiently. So with that said, hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll just power this down.